Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. I am your math teacher. I hope you will be fine. Children, today I will explain chapter 1, 2-digit numbers. The numbers which are 0 to 9 are digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are single digit numbers. How can we find 2-digit numbers? When we add 1 unit in 9 units, we get 10. And 10 is a 2-digit numbers. 10 units makes 110. See in your book. 16 shown and written as 110 and 6 unit. 16. 20 is shown and written as 2 tens. 20. What is the place value of single digit number and 2-digit numbers? First of all, we know about the place value. What is the place value? Place value, position of the numbers. Single digit place value is unit. यूनिट और वंस. सिंगल डिजिट को हम यूनिट भी कह सकते हैं और वंस भी कहते हैं. वंस का मतलब भी होता है वन, सिंगल. 3 इज यूनिट, सिंगल डिजिट. 8 यूनिट, सिंगल डिजिट. 9 यूनिट, सिंगल डिजिट. एंड 5 यूनिट, ऑल्सो सिंगल डिजिट. 2-digit numbers from 10 to 99 and place value of second digit is 10. The number is 35. 5 unit and 3 tens. 47. 7 units, 4 tens. 69. 9 units and 6 tens. 5 unit means 5. 7 unit means only 7 because unit are single numbers. 9 units or 9. 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 40 and 2 tens means 20. Now 47. 7 is unit, first number is unit and the second number is 10. Now break these numbers. 47. 40 means 4 tens or 40 and 7 means 7 unit. 47. This number is expanded form and this is a standard form. Expanded form means breaking the numbers. जब नंबर्स को हम उसके पोजीशन के हिसाब से ब्रेक करेंगे तो उसे हम कहते हैं एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. नाउ 35. 35 means 3 tens, 5 units. 30 plus 5, 35. 72, 7 tens and 2 units. 70 plus 2, 72. और जब हम नंबर्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे, मिला के लिखेंगे तो उसे हम कहते हैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. 50 plus 4, 4 unit and 50 10 means 54. 6 unit, 90 10 means 96. So these numbers are in standard form. Now students, open your book, page number 2. Page number 2. Now 1, this is single digit. 1 unit. 1 2 3, 3 unit and 3 spelling of 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 unit means 6 spelling of 6. 8 units, 8 and spelling of 8. Now this is 110. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 units means 110. 0 unit, 110. So write 10 and spelling of 10. 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 5 units, 110, 15. 110, 6 unit, 16. And 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, 19. Next page. 2 tens, 8 units. 3 tens, 7 units, 37. Now write the spelling of 37. 4 tens, 4 units, 44. Now complete this page. Next page. 4 is 4 tens, 7 units means 47. 1 ten, 3 units means 13. 5 tens, 6 unit means 56. 7 tens means 70 and 2 units 72. 9 tens, 4 unit means 94. Now complete this page. And next is expanded form, breaking the numbers. First you count the 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10 means 40. 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 units 45. 4 tens plus 5 units 40 and 5. दिस इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. इसको हमने एक्सपेंड फॉर्म में लिखा, एक वर्ड में भी लिखा और नंबर्स में भी लिखा. नाउ दीज आर 2 tens, 2 tens and 3 units. 2 tens plus 3 units. 2 tens means 20 and 3 units. Now complete this page. And last page number 6 is also expanded form. 85. 85 means 5 unit and 8 10. 8 tens 5 units. 2 10 plus 1 unit. 2 tens means 20 plus 1 21. 4 10 means 40 and 3 units. 4 10 means 40 plus 3 units. Now complete this page, page number 2 to 6 in your book. And now open your worksheet pad, page number 3. This is also expanded form. Question number 1, 10 and 1. 37. 37 means 7 unit, या 1 or 3 tens. 37 and break the number is 30 plus 7. 43. 3 ones, 4 tens. 40 plus 3, 43. And the next number is 56. 56 means 6 ones and 5 tens. 56 and break the numbers. 50 plus 6, 56. Now complete this page in your worksheet pad. Now open your copy. Look in your copy. Students, first of all, make your title page chapter 1, 2-digit numbers. Draw margin on both sides. Write the date and start your work. Write in word from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spellings of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now this work do in your copy. Okay? Now students, this is your homework. Book work, do page number 2 to 6 in your book. Copy in words from 1 to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 in your copy. This is your copy work. And do page number 3 in your worksheet pad. Okay students, today lecture has been completed now. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.